Hi, everyone! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to easily change your registered email address in the Social VPS client area. First, log into your client area using your current account credentials. Once you're inside, take a look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see a section called Your Info. Click the Update button to begin editing your account details. Next, find the text field labeled Email Address. Here, simply replace your old email with your new, updated address. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. It's important to keep your email address up to date so you don't miss out on important notifications, billing reminders, or VPS access details. At Social VPS, we prioritize your convenience and experience. So if you ever need to update your contact details, we've made the process simple and accessible anytime. Just follow these steps and stay connected to the best VPS services available. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading! Don't forget to share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next tutorial.